Welcome to Downtown Creative Studios. Come take a tour of our studio, meet our amazing team of teachers, and get a first-hand look at what makes downtown such a special place for music education. From singing to guitar, piano, and beyond, we offer personalised lessons for every skill level. At Downtown, we believe in nurturing creativity and confidence in every student, whether you're just starting out or ready to take your talent to the next level. We're here to help you achieve your musical dreams. Come along this Saturday, chat with our friendly team, and even take advantage of an exclusive 10% off Term 1 fees if you book in your lessons on the day. Don't miss this opportunity to kickstart your musical journey with us. We can't wait to see you there. Join us at Downtown Creative Studios, 7/33 Carberry Street, Grange, for a morning of fun, music, and inspiration. See you on January 25th.